Hello my creators, today we are going to make the wall hanging. For that we require some coloring paper, newspaper, glue, scissors, scale, pencil. Let's start the video. First I take a half paper and I divide again from the center. Now I am going to cut this paper and make a two part. First I take one with the help of the barbecue stick. I am going to roll this paper and make one strip from this paper like this. Like this you require the 30 to 35 strip. Once you complete this folding work and sticking work, you have to make more. Once you complete your stripping work, you have to color it. I color it white. You can do any color on it. Now take another paper and make it half and draw the heart shape. Now open it and put it something like this. Now we are going to start arranging and sticking the stick here. Like this we can start from the center. The distance between the strips you can take by your own self. First you have to arrange and then you have to stick it. See, like this you have to stick the stick on the same place as you arrange. Now once you complete this one, we are going to start cutting from the bottom from here. Like this, border to border you have to cut the shapes. Once you complete, it should be look like this. Now first we are going to stick the starter remain here. Here I am going to use the glue drop. You can use the Fevicol also. Now once you complete this one, you have to turn it at the same position again. Now for the decoration purpose, on this I am going to stick the butterflies. You can stick the flowers or any other shapes also. Now I take the 5 by 5 cm square paper, fold it from the center, and I have one sample ready of the butterfly size. So I am putting on it and draw it and cut it. Now once you complete, you have to start sticking from here. So like this you have to start sticking the butterflies. Here I choose the rainbow theme, so I am going to take the color according to that. You can take the one color also or you can take the multicolor also. So like this you have to complete your whole hanging work. I hope you like this and you enjoy this activity. And this is your final hangout. Thank you.